friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe that it's my all-time favorite. Meatballs, but not with meat. They're done simply with eggplants, but it is absolutely delicious and you have to try. So let's go. Okay friends, going to start by washing our eggplants. I'm using 3 eggplants. I cut them in half and then in half again. Now we're going to put them to boil. We need 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, bread, at least from the day before, 2 cloves of garlic, capers. I put them to soak to take out the excess salt that it had. I washed them twice, I rinsed them real well. Anchovies, Parmigiano cheese. Going to cut our bread. We put the bread to soak in water for a while. I boiled my eggplants. I strained them real well. And now I'm going to put them in a bowl. Now we add our bread, soaked bread, strained real good. I keep saying without any water because it's important, because the batter has to be nice and dry. We put our garlic clove. If you don't like garlic, don't add it. The anchovies, you cut them real thin. Need a little bit of more breadcrumbs. And here is our mixture. It's a recipe my mom used to make. When they get nice and gold, they're ready to come out. And here, friends, we have Polpette di Melanzane. I hope you like my recipe, and if you do, give me thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.